the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a blend of futuristic design and luxurious practicality. Today, we'll examine it from every angle and see why this next-generation crossover is such a head-turner. The first thing you notice? The Lexus bold face. Instead of a traditional spindle grille, it's clean and EV-ready with smooth body-colored panels. Razor-thin LED headlights penetrate the fenders, and a sculpted bumper channels airflow for improved aerodynamics. It's sharp, modern, and undeniably Lexus. From the side, the NX looks athletic yet elegant. The floating black roof visually lowers the SUV, while deep character lines and muscular wheel arches lend it a coupe-like stance. Large, black finished wheels and flush door handles hint at its premium performance roots. The rear is truly sophisticated. A wide LED light bar stretches from corner to corner, framed by sharp angles and a subtle roof spoiler. The clean Lexus script replaces the old logo, signaling a new era for the brand. Under the hood, you'll find a variety of engine options. A smooth 2.5-liter hybrid for efficiency enthusiasts, and a powerful Turbo 4 or plug-in hybrid for those seeking extra power. Lexus is also teasing a fully electric variant with two-motor all-wheel drive and over 300 horsepower, perfect for silent mountain sprints. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a lounge on wheels. The cabin combines sculpted leather with futuristic lighting strips in blue and twilight orange. A large curved digital cockpit integrates the instrument panel and infotainment system, while haptic controls keep the center console clean. Lexus's latest suite of driver assistance systems and over-the-air updates ensure it stays up to date. Pricing is expected to start around $42,000 for the standard hybrid model and exceed $60,000 for the high-performance or EV model. Lexus plans a global release in late 2025, and it will hit showrooms as a 2026 model. So, is the 2026 Lexus NX the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and eco-friendly performance? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more next-generation car reviews.